Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't ever miss an upload from me. Thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video.
You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
I am feeling so bubbly and happy today, and that is because the past few days I wasn't feeling too well and I had to rest. I definitely listened to my body, and now that I feel so much better and I am so excited to bring another clean with me video I know you guys would love.
Set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you.
So as usual guys, there's stuff everywhere, and my kids got a hold of the streaming papers, and as you can see, they are everywhere. So it looks like the kids and their dad had a party out here while I was resting. So imagine the look on my face when I came out the room, like, oh my goodness.
My world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added color.
So I don't know how the kids always manage to get this plaything out of their room. I struggled getting it back in. I must say I have some strong boys for sure.
You set my world on fire.
So while I was resting, he was on daddy duties, which allowed me to have some time to myself to rest. And guys, I literally was in the bed resting from like morning to night. And since I wasn't feeling well, I definitely needed it. And I'm so happy he took care of the kids while I was resting. So now that I'm up and fresh and ready to go, kids are now in bed and so is he. So I'm just going to tackle the mess. I plan on staying up for a few hours, and after that I'm gonna get some work done. Luckily for me, it's not the entire house. I just have to tidy up the living room, dining room, foyer, and the kids' room. And after the cleaning, I plan on getting some work done as well.
I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.
Although these blocks usually end up everywhere, however, they do get a good use out of them, which I'm totally fine with. Now, it would have been a different story if they were everywhere and they're just like not playing with them at all.
You set my world on fire.
So after my deep cleaning part 2, I will start editing the declutter and organize video, which, oh my goodness guys, I got rid of a bunch more. If you've seen the first massive declutter and organize video, wait until you see this one. I decided to get rid of a bunch because at some point we have to pack up the whole house and move due to renovation. So getting rid of a bunch of stuff we don't necessarily need is a great idea, because why pack it if we don't need it? And not only did I declutter, I also organized as well, trying to make things much simpler for me before the baby comes. And one of those things is the dishwasher, which you guys always mention.
You all night, put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful.
I'm just removing everything that don't belong in this area before I start getting into sweeping, mopping, and wiping anything down.
Sing until my lungs give out you're beautiful.
So judging from the amount of streamer papers that's everywhere, they really did have some fun. I can't even complain because I did not properly put them away like I should have had. They definitely got a hold of them for sure. It's a good thing it's just paper and easy to clean.
Looking at you all night, put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know you know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful.
And it also looks like they had a Play-Doh session on the table as well. I can see tiny little pieces of yellow Play-Doh on this table.
All night, I'll sing.
So here I'm just cutting up a small towel that we don't use anymore. So instead of throwing them away, I am just using them as cleaning rags. I find that it saves money, and after a while when it gets really old, you just throw them away.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
I am literally washing the table with soap and water to get this off. And after, I would go over it with a cleaning product.
Those blue eyes.
I was trying to figure out how to remove the Play-Doh without scratching the table up even more. Not only is it removing it, but it's also cleaning it at the same time.
And it's not a lie.
I absolutely love the smell of this Method Wood Daily Cleaner. It smells so amazing. And since we have a lot of wood in the house, definitely one of the products I use multiple times a day.
Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes. And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light.
I used to keep nice decorations on these end tables, but after one of them got broke by one of my children, I decided to remove the rest of them, and mainly it's for their safety anyways.
I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lie. I will put out.
This Bona wood spray is definitely an OG wood cleaner that I have been using for several years now, and it does work really, really well on wood floors.
Can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
also going to be tidying up the kids' room. It's not much to do, but to put things away and organize it all. And I also will be changing out the fitted sheet as well.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
And if you have reached to the end, I thank you so much for your support. And if you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the